Hi, Michael Bloom, chiropractor. This is for all those people with neck issues, so many people. One of the most common things I see in practice is that people lose the natural shape of the neck. So the natural shape of the neck is that we've got this arc or this curve to it, which places our head correctly over our shoulders. But because of device use, because of the amount of time sitting, because of computer screens, and the list goes on, so many people I see, particularly when I see their x-rays, they've lost the curve of their neck has straightened out. And it puts the head in the wrong position. When the head's in the wrong position, because it's quite heavy, over time it wears the neck out. So the take-home message is we want to enhance neck curve and correct head position for the long-term benefit of your head and your neck, and to minimize the likelihood of premature arthritis in the neck, plus ongoing headache or migraine issues, or arm, hand, finger type issues. So you can simply do a neck curve enhancement stretch at home with a towel. I'm going to show you how to do it, not with a towel, but with a device that is specially designed for it. But you can substitute what I'm going to show you with a towel. Works exactly the same. So the device you place behind your neck, or in this case, I'm going to use the word towel. You put a long towel behind your neck and you grab either end of the towel. Then you have the towel in the middle of your neck, halfway between your shoulder and your base of your skull. And you just pull forward on the towel with your hands. So you pull forward and you let your head lean backwards. And just count, just relax and count to 10 and just relax. And then repeat this process. You squeeze forward and let your head tilt back. You count to 10. I would recommend that you do 6 of them, so 60 seconds or a minute, to do that every day, morning and night, just as a good reminder for your neck of how the curve's meant to feel, how the head's meant to be positioned. It's really relaxing, feels really nice. It doesn't require any purchasing of equipment, and long term it will actually provide you some benefits which will enhance the likelihood of your neck lasting through your life without becoming one of those necks that is always bothering people. Trust me, I see too many people with necks that are always bothering them. So this is something you can simply do to hopefully avoid that. Wherever you are, have a great day and thanks for watching.